Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 4. In this class, we are going to discuss about revision exercise. In this revision exercise, we are discussing Roman number 3. That is, write the following number names in figures. Before starting of this Roman, see whatever in the previous class I said, and in this class you copy the notes in the max class work. Understand, children? Copy the notes in the previous class what I had discussed, and in this class copy in the notes. See, children, they given the write the following number names in figures. They given number name, and we have to convert the given number name into figures. Okay, we will see how to create the number names into figures. For this you need place value system, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. For our requirement we have taken 5 place value systems: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Right now we will see from the right side onwards. Here we have 40. Okay, here we have 40. 40 means what? 4 into tens, that is 40. 4 into 10, how much? 40. So in the tens place we will keep the value 4, and in the place of ones we will keep the value 0. Okay, children, in the place of ones we have 0. For place value system and face value system of 0 is always 0, because 0 does not have any value. So we will think or regard as 0 as 0. Right now in the place of hundreds, what we have? See, 9. So we got the answer, that is 940. Understand, children? In the place of ones we have 0, and in the place of tens we have 4, and in the place of hundreds we have 9. We got 940. We will discuss the next one, that is again we have to take the place value system. That is from the right side onwards: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. See here 49. 49 means how can we divide 49? See, first of all 40 into 10, 40, and 9, 1 into 9, how much? In the place of ones, 1 means what? Value 1. 1 into 9, 9. Understand, children? Here ones 1. 1 into 9, 9. We got the value 9. And 40, 4 into 10, how much? 40. We got the value 49. 49. How we get it? Because in the place of ones we have here the value 9. 1 into 9, 9. And in the place of tens we have 40. How we get 40? 4 into 10. How much? 40. We should combine both ones and tens. So we got the overall value 49. Then next come to the next one, that is 400. In the place of hundreds we have the value 4. Then here in the place of thousands, means in the place of thousands we have 9. We got the value as 9,449. So pause it. We got the value 9,400. Children, that is next one. Next one is write in short form. Okay, they given the numbers 5,000 plus 2. By combining both these numbers, we have to write it in the short form. Understand, children? We have said that write in short form. Here by looking these two numbers, we can simply say that is the addition. Understand? By adding the two numbers, we can say we got the value, overall value. See here 5,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And right now we have the next value, that is 2 plus 2. Means we have to keep here plus 2. That should be in the form of ones. Means in the place of 1 the 2 should be. Okay, understand, children? In the place of 1 we have to bring the value 2. Right now we have to add the values. 0 plus 2, how much will get the value? 2. 0 directly. 0 directly. And in the place of 5,000 we have the value 5. So we got the value 5,002. Understand? By combining both the numbers, we will get the shortest form. That is nothing but addition form. 5,000. 5000. In the place of ones, we are bringing the value 2. By adding the 2, we will get the 5000 plus 2 equal to 5002. The next one, see there are a multiple series of numbers here, 8940 and 5. Again, we have to take say 8945. See, by looking at the digits, see here there are 4 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits and 1 digit. By writing like this, we will get the overall form like this. Understand, children? Then we have to add these all the numbers, 8940 and 5. See, in the ones place, in the place of ones we have 0, 0, 0 and we have the last value as 5. So we'll get the value as 5. And next in the place of tens, 0 plus 0, 0 and 0 plus 4 equal to 4. Next, in the place of hundreds, we have the first value as 0 and the second value as 9. 0 plus 9 equal to 9. And in the place of thousands, we have the value 8. So we will get the value 8. The overall value is 8945. We will write that one. See here, 8945. See, same in the short form we can say directly as, see, in the place of thousands we have 8. Then bring the, in the place of hundreds, bring this 9 value. See, 9 here. And in the place of tens you bring 4. Here 4. And in the place of ones bring 5. We will get the 8945 as like this. Okay, children. Right now we will see the Roman number 5. Observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. Okay, observe this pattern, 2000, 4000, 6000. By observing this, what you are feeling? When simply in between 2000 and 4000 there is a difference of 2000, and in between 4000 and 6000 we have again a difference of 2000. By this we can assume that in each and every number there is a difference of 2000 and successive, what that is successively repeating. Understand? 2000, 4000, 6000, and after 6000 what is the number it will get? 8000. After 8000 what will get? 10,000. Every between the number 2000 and 4000, 2000 is repeating. Between 4000 and 6000 again 2000 is repeating. Between 6000 and 8000 there is a difference of 2000. For each and every number between there is a difference of 2000. You have to know it. It is repeating successively after one after the other. See, 2000, 4000, 6000, 8000, 20,000. We observe that in each and every number there is a difference of 2000. Right now, see the B part, that is 6400, 6900 and 7400. By looking these three numbers, what do you observe? There is a difference of 500 in each and in between each number. Understand? See, here is a 4000, 6400. Count that. 6500, 6600, 6700, 6800 and 6900. Again next 7000, 7100, 7200, 7300 and 7400. In between each and every number there is a difference of 500. Next, after 7400, what the next number it repeats? See, that is 7000, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7900. After 7900, there is a difference of 500. Later, what the number will get? That is 8400. See, children, in the first one there is a difference of 2000 between each and every number. But in the second case, there is a difference of 500. There is a difference of 500. Here there is a difference of 2000. 6400, 6900, 7400, 7900 and 8400. We will discuss the last one, that is okay, children. This is the last problem from the revision exercise. That is, write the largest and smallest 4-digit number. Okay, they said that by using these numbers, means 4, 8, 7, 2, write the smallest and biggest 4-digit number, because there are only 4 digits here, 2, 7, 8, 4. Okay, understand children? By using these digits, you form the fourth biggest 4-digit biggest number, and at the same time 4-digit smallest number. For this, first of all, we will see smallest number. Smallest 4-digit. Biggest 4-digit. Okay, smallest 4-digit number and biggest 4-digit number we'll see. See, if we want smallest 4-digit number, then we have to take all the smallest value first. Understand children? If we want the smallest 4-digit number, then we have to take all the smallest values first. Means from small to big. Understand? From small to big. See here, by looking at these 4 digits, which is the smallest one? 2. 2 is the smallest number. Next, after 2, the 4. 4 is the smallest number. Then 7. Then 8. This is the smallest 4-digit number. Then what is the fourth biggest number or biggest 4-digit number? See, right now if we want the biggest 4-digit number, then we need the biggest terms first or biggest digits first of all. See, then we have to start from the biggest number. That is, see, 8. 8 is the biggest number. After 8, what is the biggest number? 7. After that 4. Then 2. We'll write as 8, 7, 4, 2 is the biggest 4-digit number. Then the next one, that is, again we have a series of digits as 9, 6, 8 and 4. If we want the smallest 4-digit number, then we have to take all the smallest digits first. See here, by looking these digits, which is the smallest digit? 4 is the smallest digit. After 4, which is the biggest? Smallest. After 4, 6 is the biggest. 6. After 6, 8. After 8, 9. Okay, 4, 6, 8, 9 or 4689 is the smallest number. Then what is the biggest 4-digit number? See, by looking these digits, 9 is the big. After 9, 8 is the biggest. After 8, 6. And later on, 4. 9, 8, 6, 4 is the biggest 4-digit number. By looking these digits, we can frame as the smallest 4-digit number, at the same time biggest 4-digit number. Thank you children. Copy the notes.